Hey guys, this is Kurt Henninger, and in this video I'm going to show you how to really tie all the pieces together from the last two videos I've done in terms of producing free traffic and leads with whatever content that you produce. So I'm going to give you a simple step-by-step formula, and let's get started. So again, it all starts, number one, it starts with keyword research, and starts with keyword. And how exactly do you go about doing that? So I'm going to show you here real quick. If you don't know how to use the Google or find the Google keyword tool, and just go to google.com and type in Google keyword tool, click search, and the first tool that's going to pop up is the Google keyword tool, and this is what I recommend that you use. Gives you awesome results. So how it works is in the box right here, you want to make sure the button's highlighted descriptive words or phrases, and let's just pick MLM. Okay, we're going to write a piece of content about multi-level marketing. Okay, and if you're going to have to put in the code right here first, and then click on Get Keyword Results. It's going to take a second to search for a little bit, and then it's going to pop up a bunch of different keyword terms. So for the keyword MLM, for the month of March, there were 823,000 searches, and on average, about 550,000 searches came up in Google. So you're going to want to pick one of these keywords, and let's for the sake of, and when you're starting off, you do not necessarily want to start off with something like MLM, because that is a very competitive keyword. You want to start off with something a little bit, and what I mean by competitive, there's a ton of search volume, and you can see the rating of the advertiser competition. So you can actually sort this. If you go ahead and click on the button advertiser competition, it will sort it by advertiser competition, and you could do something like looking for MLM. Okay, let's pick that keyword right there because there's not as much competition. Okay, and now that you have your keyword written, okay, the next step is write an article, 400 to 600 words, and focused on the keyword. Which one did we choose here before? It was, oh goodness, I've already forgotten here. Hang on. Let's just choose looking for MLM. Okay? Or whatever keyword that you choose. Okay? You write that article, and then once the article is written, post the article to wherever your content is, to your website or blog or wherever you're going to have as your basis of content. Okay? Now that you've posted that, you're going to want to go ahead and produce a video with the same keyword. In this case, looking for MLM. Okay, stay with me here. All right. So you're going to have as a basis an article and a video for your pieces of content. I'm going to show you how to tie everything together here real quick. So you've posted your article on your website. You've produced a video, and now go ahead and post video on YouTube, and there's a bunch of other sites, but I'm just going to list YouTube right here. Post video on YouTube, and this is a key point here. Include in the comments and text with the video. Okay, copy and paste the article. Okay, you're going to copy and paste the actual article that you wrote, focused around looking, in this case, looking for MLM. And the video title, include the words looking for MLM. So you have a title of a video and you have the text in the video, and whatever keywords for the video include looking for MLM. Okay. To go along with this here, you want to include in the comments the first thing is a link back to your article that on your website or blog. Okay, a link back to your article or blog post, the specific blog post that talks about the article that you just wrote about. Okay, that's important. Okay, because everything's going to be tied very, very well together. Okay, so you have an instant link back to that same piece of content. Okay, and now what you can do is, now that you have your base content, you want to go back to blog post or website where you posted the posted content. Include the video. That's actually known as embed video, the video on the blog post. Okay, that way every time somebody looks at your article, they're going to see an article, a 400, 600 word article, and they're going to see a video all centered around the same topic. Okay, now what you can go ahead and do, take the article, you can post it to a bunch of different, you can post it to a bunch of different article directories. Okay, and in the resource box, include a link back to your post. I'll call it your blog post. And in the link, you're going to have a hyperlink. And remember when I talked about off-page optimization? Include a hyperlink with the keywords looking for MLM. Include those keywords, but the actual link will take you back to your blog post. Cool. Okay, and post to other video sites with the same principle. Now you're going to go to other sites like Squidoo or Hub Pages and include and write a post on there about the same content that you had before. Okay, and you're definitely going to want to include the video on that Squidoo lens or hub page or whatever okay, and in here you're going to do the same thing that you did with your article. Include a link back to your main blog post with the keyword looking for MLM, and in the title of your lens, the Squidoo lens, let's say, include your keyword that your article is about, that your base article is about. And that's the basic process. Okay, and one important thing, you're going to want to include on your blog post, include a link to your lead capture page, so that if they like what they read, you're getting all this traffic from all these different sources. If they like what they read on your blog post, include a link to your lead capture page, and that is how you generate leads like that. Okay, so, and that's the basic process, and you do it again and again for different pieces and for different keywords that you research. And that's really it. You just wash, rinse, and repeat, and just repeat the process over and over and over again. And you keep going after it, and this is absolutely going to help you get traffic from all these different sites. And it's going to help it's going to have your web page as this focal point for content, and it's going to boost your web page in the rankings and hopefully get you on page 1 and start getting you some MLM traffic and leads for your business. Again, that's my simple formula for going through and producing content, tying together on-page optimization and off-page optimization. On all of this, you do yourself. And the starting point is keywords and producing good content. And just go from there. Just keep after it, and eventually you're going to start getting more and more traffic back to your central, back to your website, back to your blog, and it's going to be like a snowball effect. Again, this is Kurt Henninger. Hope you got something out of this. Have a good day.